8-year-old boy shot dead in Yorktown, Clarendon. Hi again and welcome. This is Sh0t TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Sh0t TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Sh0t TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Sh0t TV News Report. An 8-year-old boy was shot and killed in Clarendon on Sunday morning. The incident has been confirmed by the Corporate Communications Unit within the Jamaica Constabulary Force. Reports are that minutes after 7 a.m., residents in the Content District area of Yorktown in Clarendon heard explosion during football activities there. The police were called and a child and 2 other persons were found with gunshot wounds. The 8-year-old boy has been identified as Xavier Phillips, a student of Ballaras River. Xavier was among spectators watching a football game when armed men drove up in a vehicle and opened fire on a group of people. He was shot in the head and died on the spot. More detail will be available in a later newscast. This has been Sh0t TV News Report. Thanks for watching.